At this time last year, Donald Trump was facing the prospect of 4 criminal trials that could put him behind bars for years, and hundreds of millions of dollars in penalties from civil cases that had been brought against him. As of January 2025, former President Donald Trump has navigated a complex legal landscape, with several criminal cases against him either dismissed or in abeyance due to his re-election. However, certain legal challenges persist, particularly in the civil arena, and potential future prosecutions remain a possibility. Dismissal of federal criminal cases. Following his victory in the November 2024 presidential election, the Department of Justice (DOJ) moved to dismiss federal criminal cases against Trump, citing long-standing policies that prohibit the prosecution of a sitting president. Special counsel Jack Smith, who had been leading investigations into Trump's alleged mishandling of classified documents and attempts to overturn the 2020 election results, filed motions to dismiss these cases. In his filings, Smith referenced DOJ protocols and the constitutional challenges of prosecuting a sitting president. The courts granted these motions, effectively halting federal criminal proceedings against Trump during his tenure. This development underscores the complexities of pursuing legal action against a sitting president and highlights the intersection of law and politics in such high-profile cases. State-level criminal investigations. While federal cases have been dismissed, state-level investigations present a different scenario. Notably, the Fulton County investigation in Georgia, concerning alleged interference in the 2020 election, remains unresolved. State prosecutions are not bound by the same DOJ policies that protect sitting presidents from federal indictment. However, practical and constitutional considerations make the prosecution of a sitting president at the state level unprecedented and legally contentious. As a result, these cases are currently in a state of suspension, with future actions contingent upon Trump's status after his presidency. Civil cases and financial liabilities. In addition to criminal investigations, Trump faces significant civil litigation. One prominent case involves a defamation lawsuit filed by Georgia election workers Ruby Freeman and Shay Moss, who allege that Trump's false claims about election fraud led to harassment and emotional distress. Civil cases operate independently of the criminal justice system, and presidential immunity does not extend to civil litigation for actions taken before or after a president's term. Therefore, these cases are expected to proceed, potentially resulting in substantial financial liabilities for Trump. Implications for the Justice Department. Trump's re-election has also had a profound impact on the DOJ. Reports indicate that numerous DOJ lawyers, particularly those involved in investigations related to Trump, are seeking employment elsewhere due to concerns about potential retribution. The anticipated overhaul of the department's leadership and priorities under the new administration has created an environment of uncertainty and apprehension among career officials. Future legal perils. While current DOJ policies prevent the prosecution of a sitting president, these protections do not extend beyond a president's term. Legal experts suggest that once Trump leaves office, the possibility of reinstating or initiating new criminal proceedings remains. Additionally, the statute of limitations for certain offenses may allow for future prosecutions. Therefore, while Trump currently enjoys immunity from federal prosecution, he could face renewed legal challenges upon the conclusion of his presidency. Conclusion. In summary, as of early 2025, Donald Trump's legal landscape is characterized by the dismissal of federal criminal cases due to his re-election, ongoing state-level investigations in a state of suspension, active civil litigation with potential financial repercussions, and a DOJ experiencing internal upheaval. While some legal perils have receded, others loom on the horizon, contingent upon the duration and conclusion of his presidency.